It is very important to make a checklist of all the things that you need to pack when traveling. This article gives you an insight into making a packing list. Be it a weekend road trip, week-long Christmas vacation, or a month-long spring break, traveling is something that we always look forward to. Exploring a new place, getting a feel of its sights and sounds, studying its flora and fauna, feasting on the local cuisine, shopping at the flea markets. Just thinking about it makes us want to forget everything else and set out on a new travel expedition this very minute. However, one needs to be prepared to travel anywhere. Lack of preparation can often land us in problematic situations, which can severely dampen the spirits of the traveling. Here is a basic vacation packing tip for all travelers. One of the first things that you should do is make a checklist. Let us look at what this list should contain. How to make it? It should ideally be split into the following categories: clothes, toiletries, travel documents, finances, first aid, accessories, and general items. Clothes. You should always pack your clothes while taking into consideration the prevailing weather conditions at the destination and the duration of stay. The following clothing items should ideally be on the list: regular casual day wear, that is, shirts, t-shirts, pants, dresses, jeans, an extra pair of denims, innerwears, towels, sweater or windbreaker, raincoat or a rainy jacket, 2 sets of formal clothing, night suits/pajamas, swimwear, Bermuda shorts, socks, shoes, sandals, and slippers. Toiletries. Make sure that you inspect your toiletry kit before you leave. Very often, we happen to forget small things like toothbrushes and combs, which can later cause a little bit of inconvenience. Toothbrush and toothpaste, bathing soap, deodorant, talcum powder, shaving kits, and screen lotion, skin creams, mosquito repellent, dental floss, hair care products, comb or brush, hand mirror, cotton swabs, small pair of scissors, glasses or contact lenses, contraceptives, maxi pads or tampons. Travel documents. Make sure that you remember to carry these, else you are most likely to land up in a soup. It is always advisable to carry multiple photocopies of all your travel documents for good measure. Make sure that you carry the following documents: passport, visa, alternate proof of identity, travel tickets, hotel reservation documents, travel insurance, and vaccination certificates. Finances. Imagine this. You are having a great time shopping to your heart's content, only to discover that you have left your credit card back home. To avoid such a predicament, be sure to carry the following: sufficient cash, credit or debit cards, traveler's checks, enough local currency in case of foreign travel, money belt for safety, currency converter or calculator. First aid. It is advisable to carry a first aid kit along with certain basic medication. It can often come in handy when traveling. It should contain band-aids, gauze, bandages, iodine, or any other liquid antiseptic, common medicinal tablets for treating diarrhea, headache, flu, motion sickness, etc., vitamin and glucose tablets, other personal medicines, accessories. Traveling to your favorite destination and forgetting your camera and other accessories can be a spoiler. Double check that you pack the following items: camera, batteries, cell phone charger, road maps/city maps, sunglasses, caps or hats, books, diary, flashlight with batteries, wristwatch, old newspapers, alarm clock, iPod or MP3 player. These were some travel packing tips to ensure that you have a pleasant trip.